Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW. That car's still got that flat tire here. It's still got that flat tire. Have a look over here. Hirome, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is how they present it. Look at this. Look at that. See, that's how they present it.
It's got a name on it.
Yeah, of course. Doesn't that look amazing or what?
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it? Let's come inside and have a look. Oh, they've changed the grill a bit. You know that? On that toy, they've changed the grill a bit. Okay. Checked in here. We're a bit early, which is okay. We've had to sit down. Actually, just have to sit down. I want to take some photos of the car. Is that okay with you? There's no rush. Jesus Christ. Looks amazing. Oh, you sent it to the boys. What did they say? Bless you. Filming? See that? You can preview what it shows you what you're filming.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's fantastic because it's a very discreet little small thing, and you can film anything.
How many hours do you get out of that?
Actually, you get quite a lot. I don't shoot in 4K because it reduces your filming because of the resolution.
Yeah.
But
It takes ages.
you probably get, but I shoot in 1080.
1080p.
And you probably get a couple hours out of it. It's very, it's amazing technology. It's
How much
amazing.
did that set you back?
They've come down a long way. It was about $700,
that's not
but
too
they bring out new versions.
So it's a similar price to like Go.
if you don't mind just standing just where you are, I'll open the gates.
Okie dokie.
Okay, would you like the photos?
Yes, I'll get you to. I will do that. There's some great. Glenn said this is worth its weight in gold. He says that matte thing.
Has he got one?
Yeah, he always gets it. He said. I told him what I was getting. He said, "Yeah, that's very good idea."
So this is the same material as that?
No, that's like suede. Alcantara is suede. It's that suede. That's what it kind of does. See the blacked out grill. That's $300 option there.
Yeah.
That's what we've got.
Yeah.
That's what ours has got. Exactly. That's the center caps. What they do is, no matter how you drive, it stays perfectly up. They're called floating caps.
Yeah.
And what they do is, they stay. The BMW logo stays perfectly in the middle. You know, Rolls Royce has that. That's what it does. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury, and I've just gone for our first drive in the car. You know what, guys? This thing is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've gone for a little bit of a drive with the wife, and I got to tell you, man, I never seen a car like this. It's just incredible. They've moved ahead so far in technology, and it's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'll show you a couple little highlights here. So let's take a look. So you look at the wheels. We've got the blacked out 19-inch wheels. Pretty damn cool. With the red calipers. It's the M Sport Pack, and it's got the blacked out grille. This is the blacked out grille, which, you know, I'll be honest with you, I probably wouldn't have gone for blacked out grille, but it was a demo, and you got to go with what you like. And just have a quick look here. Da-da-da-da. Absolutely, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I really, really do love the car. And it's got that new car smell. And we'll just have a look here. Look at this. It's got the sunroof. It's really beautiful. It's not just beautiful, it's really beautiful. Is it better than a watch? I don't know. You know what? I think it is. Man, I gotta tell you, I really love this car. It is incredible. It's just divine. To drive it, it's divine. And I got to be honest with you, I absolutely adore it. And this is the special Porter something blue. And every time I go next to it with my proximity thing, it starts opening it up, which is a bit of a bummer. It's a bit of a bummer that I gotta work out how to stop that happening every time I walk up to it. But hello BMW, how are you today? So yeah, it is very, very cool. Welcome home. This is my BMW. Look at this. The Beamer, the BMW. And he wants to say hello to the Chesterfield. Hello BMW, how are you today? Hello BMW. This is the BMW. The BMW. And he is very, very, very cool. Very cool BMW. He's beautiful. Hello, BMW. Oh, here's the BMW. 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 The BMW. I like BMW. It's a BMW. Gangster. It's a bit gangster, this BMW. Very gangster. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US. Look down in the description. $50 US. I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube. Because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.